Do you want to live a life of freedom by starting, scaling, or growing a business online in this new digital economy? I'm Mehdi and I've grown a multi-7-figure coaching business helping entrepreneurs all around the world start and grow their businesses and make more sales whilst avoiding costly mistakes, all by the age of 21. And I've built one hell of a life doing so. On this channel, my passion is to help equip you with the right skills that you need to start and grow a business online that will help you generate more income and live a life of freedom. And specifically, I'm going to be sharing weekly tips, tricks, road to 100Ks, behind the scenes from a multi-7-figure business to help you learn exactly how you can do this completely from scratch. Why? Because I believe that being online is one of the fastest ways to grow your business and your income, and a lot of people are overwhelmed by the amount of information out there. So I want to cut the bullshit and show you what's working right now. If anything I've said makes sense, smash that subscribe button, turn your bell notifications on so that you don't ever miss an upload and get left behind in this ever-changing digital economy.